Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make spicy pork marinade. So we're going to put it in the blend. We've got the soy oil, sesame oil, rice vinegar. We're using ginger crush and garlic crush. And onions, soy sauce, we got gumbo in here, and sugar, and so I'm going to cut the onion. I'm terrible with onions. Trying to go out.
It doesn't sleep in that bed anymore. I might put it in the shed again.
No, it's because it's getting a bit warmer now. Yeah. You know, he slept in it because it was cold. That's why he's not sleeping with those much. I don't want to cut myself. I already grate myself. Knife is my worst enemy. Hey, Mum.
Yeah.
Oh, that was close. Yep.
Okay, we'll put them in the blender.
Oh, do it this way.
Okay, and then we can put all the other ingredients in.
Okay. Yeah. In the blender, here we go. Oops. What? Yep.
2 tablespoons of minced garlic.
Minced garlic.
Garlic, the green one.
Oops. Say one more.
Yeah.
Another one.
Yeah, but not too big. Oh, yeah. Yep.
I don't want to. I don't want a big one. I want.
Okay. Now you need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil.
So what the same?
Yep. You're a good girl, pouring it over the top. That's good girl. Okay, only 1. Okay. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Same.
Yes. Have you shaken it or? Oh, I don't know. Okay. Be careful you don't get that on your clothes. No.
I think I did.
2 tablespoons.
2 tea.
Yeah.
1. 2.
4 tablespoons of that.
This one here.
No, paste. 4 tablespoons. So I've got a fork in there, so it just might. Yeah, just go 1.
Might just put
All of it in maybe.
too hot.
Oh no, we don't want it too hot. Then we'll just put.
2.
Okay, 2. Okay. 5 tablespoons of sugar. No.
Whoops. 5.
5.
So 1.
Yep.
2,
Yep.
3, 4,
Oh, good boy.
5.
Okay. 2 tablespoons of rice wine.
Same.
Oh, it's nice wine, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Same one.
Yeah. 2.
1,
Yeah.
2.
And 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I mean ginger. No, teaspoons.
That one there.
Yeah, no. Yes. So 2 of those. Okay. Now put the lid on the whiz. Put that little bit in.
Right way up.
Yep, so make sure. Yep, you locked it, okay. What's the better shut that door, that chicken will come in. Okay. Is it going?
Oh, I know. Oh.
No, not that. Okay.
Jeez, I really get on my bones. Yeah.
One, and then turn it over and do the other, then we'll cover it and put it in the...
Yeah. Come on. It looks like some of them are you. Today. It's good that people are getting involved in powerlifting. But you see, Adam's got the patience, you see. He's, he's good.
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm just, yeah, he's just got the patience for it. I'm just, using the spatula
Yeah, we'll tip it, yeah,
and just,
put it all over it.
oops. This.
There you go.
All right. Oops. Yep. So let it marinate now. Yep. There you go, Mum.
Okay, so it's all over it?
Yep.
Oh, good. You just showed it.
Woohoo!
Okay, so we'll marinate that.
Thank you for watching how to make spicy pork marinade. I'll write the recipe down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. And then
What are you doing?
I'm recording you putting the
Oh.
Tiny. Hello.